If you're not emailing your list as much as you know you should, it's usually because of three things. Number one, you feel like you're too busy to write emails and manage your email marketing platform. Number two, you don't know what to send your email list. And number three, you don't know how to use your marketing platform correctly, meaning that you don't understand which list to send emails to, and or your tags got really messy and you just don't know how to fix them. Either that or it's a mix of all of the above. And while this is super common and very overwhelming, there is a very simple fix, because you and I both know that every day that you don't email your list, you're losing out on sales. Simple as that. So stop trying to go out and get new business from people who have no idea you even exist, which are the hardest sales to get, by the way, and instead email your list more. Why? Well, emailing your list is as close to free as you can get, and you and I both know that you should be doing it. So in this video, I'm going to show you a super simple 2-tag email system that will help you manage your entire email list in a second of the time that it currently takes you, all while avoiding sending the wrong emails to the wrong people and at the wrong time, and potentially losing thousands in sales in the process. So here's the problem when your CRM is a mess. It's just another excuse not to email your list. And I get it. Why would you want to risk sending the wrong email to the wrong person and spending a couple of hours writing an email to do so? It's a valid argument, and I've seen that same conversation play out for a lot of my clients and also people that I coach. And so naturally, 9 times out of 10, instead of fixing the problem, most people go out and just try to find brand new clients, leads, and new customers, which is way more expensive and time consuming and honestly unnecessary. Because the truth is that your email list is just sitting there, waiting to hear from you. You just need a simple system to make emailing them easy, and that's exactly what this 2-tag email system does. Now, I've been doing email marketing for many years, helping coaches, consultants, and course creators just streamline their email systems, and trust me, I've seen it all. CRMs with hundreds, if not thousands of tags, complex automations, so I know probably more than anybody how easy it is to get overwhelmed. So to keep that from happening to you, here's how you can fix it. For the system to work, you will only need 2 tags in your email marketing system, and that is your broadcast tag and then a temporary tag. That's it. Let me explain. The broadcast list tag is your default tag. This is the tag that you'll use to send your regular marketing emails in real time. You can think of it as your main mailing list. Now, you only want to add this tag to subscribers after they've gone through your initial automations, like your welcome flow, your nurture sequence, or your abandoned cart emails. This is because you don't want them getting 2 completely unrelated emails at the same time, which is confusing, and it's just a super quick way to lose your subscribers. So when someone finishes all those automations or your welcome flow, you add this broadcast list tag. The first step is to remove the broadcast list tag. Then at the end of that automation, you want to add it back. That way the contact continues to get your regular marketing emails. It's super simple. Now, what about your promotions or any other form of targeted email campaign? Now, this is where the temporary tag comes in. Let's say you're running a fitness coaching business and you're doing a challenge just for women, and you have men and women on your email list. To target women specifically, you will filter the audience in your contacts to people that you want to target. In this case, it will be women. Once you have the audience filtered down in your email marketing software, you will then add the temporary tag to that audience. So this tag could be whatever you want it to be. Once you've gone ahead and added the temporary tag, you will go ahead and remove the broadcast list tag. This ensures that they don't get your regular marketing emails while they're in that promotion. If you're getting lost here, we essentially want to keep sending regular marketing emails to the men while simultaneously running another promotion just targeting the women. And by doing this simple tagging process, we keep those 2 segments separate. Now, once your promotion is over, you just reverse and go through the same steps exactly as outlined before, except obviously in reverse. So first, you would just find people that have that temporary tag added. In this case, like we've been talking about, it will be the women. You then want to add the broadcast list tag back onto this audience. But once you've added the broadcast list back to that original audience, then you want to remove the temporary tag, and just like that, they're back on your regular mailing list, your broadcast list, and ready to receive your regular emails again, just like the other audience. In this case, the male and the female will both be getting your regular marketing emails. Now, you can follow this process really for any other promotion. You can follow it for Black Friday. You can follow it for any other audience or for any other reason. The only exception when you wouldn't want to add your broadcast list back on a contact would be when you only have one offer and that contact has already paid or has already become a client. Then at that point, you obviously have won that opportunity. You don't need to keep reaching back out to them. And so you don't have to add them back to your broadcast list once they are a customer. And so now, assuming that you have a simple email marketing setup, this strategy should be enough to get you up and running and have you sending emails without getting tags and automations mixed up. That said, if you run a business that has multiple product offerings, then it might be useful to then integrate multiple tags after this one, as long as you keep it simple. Now, if you have multiple products and offers, but you want to get a little more fancy, a little more complex with your setup, I would say go for it, so long as you're in touch with your software and you're logging in there all the time and you really know what's going on and what all the tags do and which list is your marketing list and which list is your segments. Because if you don't, then it's just really easy to get lost. And like I said, once you get lost and you don't really know, then that adds a whole other extra layer of resistance when it comes to you mailing your email list. So that said, if that's you and you're currently feeling confused and overwhelmed when it comes time to send your emails, just follow this 2-tag system, and I really do think that it could help you out and really simplify the process that you have to take before you send an email. I know today the norm is just to have super complex automations and AI, and everybody is flexing all of their super complicated workflows, but really for efficiency, the more simple your process is, the easier it is to manage, the easier it is to track, and the easier it is to grow. One more thing to note is that most email marketing platforms will allow you to automate this process of adding and removing tags. You can do it inside of workflows, automations, or recipes. The name doesn't really matter. It just depends on what your email marketing is that you're currently using. That way you don't have to think about it and the whole process just works. Now, if you want more helpful email list management tips, I'll link other useful videos on the cards in this video. Check those videos out. They will help you. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and let me know what you're currently struggling with when it comes to email. I read all the comments and I will do my best to get back to you. Check out the description of this video for more free tools and resources that'll help you monetize your email list. Let's connect on Instagram. I'll see you next time. Peace.